So it's just a quick demonstration about phases of the moon and eclipses. So I've obviously got my Earth. I've got a very directional light source, which is quite useful if you are either filming. You're unlikely to be in a room with blackout curtains, I know. Also, I have a moon, which is just a small polystyrene ball. And just to make things more obvious, particularly in a lit up classroom, I have coloured the half of the ball black to represent it's in shadow. So I just need to be careful to always make sure that the white side is facing my light source. So as my Earth is rotating, as my moon is rotating, I'm always keeping the white side of my ball facing the light source. Obviously it doesn't matter if you haven't coloured it, but it's just to really emphasise this idea. So here's my Earth. When my moon is between the Earth and the Sun, the dark side of the moon is facing the Sun, the Earth. So we see a new moon, in other words, we don't see anything. Also, you can see that my moon is able to cast a shadow on the Earth, and that's why we do get our solar eclipses, when we have the shadow of the moon on the Earth. I just readjust a little bit. So this time I have my moon on the further side, so it's got the Earth between the Sun and the moon. So the lit up side of the moon is facing the Earth, which means that I can see a full moon. It also means that if the Sun, Earth and Moon are lined up, the shadow of the Earth is blocking or is shining on is on the moon, so we get a lunar eclipse. And obviously, as we go between different places, as the moon travels around the Earth, we will see different sort of proportions of black and white, as in shadow and in lit up sides. We see a different amount of the moon that's lit up, although the whole moon is still there. That's a very common misconception, that somehow it vanishes and kind of re-emerges.